back to Motorcycle. Today we have a very dirty car and we're gonna go to an automatic car wash and we're gonna show you how to do it. So we've all been in a situation where the only road we can take is a country road, or when you think that the day is gonna be really awesome but it starts raining. And an automatic car wash is really hard to use, so we're gonna give a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. So we arrived to car wash station and we chose our washing program and bought our ticket at the cashier. Now we go outside and prepare the car for the car wash. Before the car wash, make sure that your mirrors are folded and the antenna is off. Also, don't forget to close your windows. If this is your first time, read the instructions. Then enter the code from your ticket. When the gates open, drive in. Stop driving when the stop light turns on. Make sure that you're on the parking position and use hand brake. First, your car is going to be applied with shampoo. Then it's going to be sprayed with water. Then the automatic car wash is gonna use brushes to clean your car. Also, during the car wash, never open doors or windows because it's dangerous to you and others in the car. Then, the car wash applies wax. It makes the car look more clean and more shiny. Last but not least, they are gonna air dry your car. And the reason why the dryer and the brushes don't hurt your car is because they have sensors on them that let them brush your car and clean it without scratching it. If the light tells you and the gates open, you can drive outside. Also, don't forget your mirrors and your antenna. And then enjoy your clean car. Thank you for watching and bye bye!